Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a simple strategy game. First, let's understand the game's objective. Your goal is to be the first player to reach 20 points. To begin, set up the game board in the center. Each player receives 5 starting cards and 3 resource tokens. Decide who goes first, perhaps the youngest player, and you are ready to start your first turn. Now let's go over the steps for taking your turn. Every turn consists of 3 simple phases. First, you will draw 1 new card from the main deck, adding it to your hand. Next, you may play 1 card from your hand onto the board, following its specific instructions. Finally, collect 2 resource tokens from the supply. Once these steps are complete, your turn ends. Mastering strategic actions is key to winning. Use your cards wisely to gain an advantage over your opponents. Many cards have special abilities that can be activated by spending 1 or 2 resource tokens. Consider blocking your opponent's progress by playing defensive cards. Always adapt your strategy based on the cards you draw and the current game state. The ultimate goal is to win the game. To achieve victory, you must be the first player to reach a total of 20 points. As soon as you achieve this score, announce your victory to all players. The game concludes immediately at that point and no further turns are taken. Congratulations, you have won. Reflect on your strategy for future success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.